always say music is food for thought to see the show. Guys, welcome to Mxlive with your boy Mark Motin. This is the show that we have insightful conversation with your favorite artists pertaining to show business. You can follow us on every single platform, MS34GH, hashtag MSLive. Guys, stay tuned. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, guys, welcome back. You're still watching Mxlive with your boy, Mark Motin. Guys, I have an incredible artist in the studio, and we are going to have a great conversation on the show today. And I'm proud to announce my brother. He goes by the name Arathejay. Broski, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir.
Mini Abibi Abokodiye.
Nyame Listen.
I have the spiritual man himself, Arathejay, in the building. Bro, let's get right into it. Bro, so how did you come about the name Arathejay, and what does it stand for?
All right, so Arathejay is just was just a name given to me in school.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't even. It was actually J Ara.
Okay, J Ara.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I wanted it to be Ara. And then now it's Arathejay.
J. Okay. Okay. But does it have any special meaning?
Yeah, Ara means wonder.
Wonder. In which
in
language?
Yoruba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonder.
Wonder.
Okay.
Yeah. And the J is a bird, the blue Jay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful one. I love the name Arathejay. So it means the Ara means wonder in Yoruba, actually. Nice meaning. I love. That's why you're doing wonderful things, bro. That's why you're always killing it. You're always killing it, bro. So how did you get into music, bro?
I think along the way, along poetry, along the line of literature.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. The poems translated into music.
Okay.
Yeah, and I started recording. It took a bit. Yeah, it took a while, but I mean, I started releasing frequently.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are here by God's grace.
Nice.
So I actually started from literature. I actually still do literature.
Okay. So what was your favorite poem? Since you're a literature student.
I don't remember.
Okay.
But I mean, my favorite book, a drama that I love so much, In the Chest of a Woman.
In the Chest of a Woman.
Yeah. No, it's not even because of school. Yeah, but like the story, the entire story, yeah, it just made sense. But yeah, that's for literature.
So Ara, how long have you been doing music, like professionally? And when did you took that decision that you are taking it as a profession?
I think after Sankofa.
Then you take that decision to take it as a profession?
Yeah, after Sankofa, I decided to keep
pushing
going
it
back to back.
Okay.
Because before Sankofa, there were a couple of releases. That's why I was saying, I mean, it took a while before I had to frequently release again.
Okay.
Yeah, and it took some decisions, personal with the team.
Okay.
Yeah, and all that.
All right, that's I like it that it took a while for you to actually decide to, okay, I'm going fully into the music. That's beautiful. So what is the inspiration behind your look? What inspired you to go with this look?
Behind how I look, what do you mean? Is it
the inspiration. Yes. Your brand. Right now with this man, everybody gonna know say Arathejay. If someone try copy self, we go say, oh, this might be Arathejay brand, the person they try take.
For me, I believe it's so much about the things I have to say.
Okay.
Yeah, in the music. Yeah, it's not so much about who is behind the music. Yeah, but I mean, at the end of the day, you realize they will definitely come and find out who is behind the music. Yeah. So I had to put a face to it.
Okay.
Yeah, because initially I didn't even want to show my face.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I don't think.
But why did you decide to stay anonymous?
Yeah,
I decided, okay, I'm not going to show my face at all.
Personally, I believe, as I said, it's a personal thing.
Okay.
It's a personal
thing. And we
thing.
respect that.
Yeah, just like how other people have their personal. Yeah, I have this personal belief that it's so much about what I have to say, what I have to give to the world is in what I have to say, not even in how I look.
Okay.
Yeah, I think, I used to think, and I still believe that focusing so much on the image takes away from the message.
Okay, the kind of substance you want to put in your music.
Yeah, or the kind of focus I need on the lyrics.
Music. Okay.
Yeah, because most of the time it's just about, hey, who's that? Who's that guy in the mask?
Okay.
What's he saying? How did he come out today? Yeah, but I want the narrative to be about what did he say? Yeah, what's that he said in his last song? Yeah, and by the way, Fire is out.
Yeah.
Featuring Bella. I've not heard it. I said some inspirational things out there.
Okay.
Exactly.
Nice one. We're talking about lyrics. Okay. So how long does it take you to put down music, especially with the kind of lyrics you put in your song? How long does it take you to actually say, okay, I'm going to write this song to make sure the message reach the masses so they could relate to it? How long does it take you to put out?
Like Central C saying, you can't rush greatness.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe there's no time limit to it. You can't limit God. Yeah, God does impossible things.
Yes.
We can hear the instrumentation now, and believe there's something being said now, or it can take time to come up with the entire message. Yeah, but all in all, I mean, it takes time.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes time because every great thing takes time to come up with. Yeah, so it takes time.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm very intentional about the things I put down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So which of your song you feel like it took a while for you to get everything intact? Like, okay, this song actually maybe you do, well, nah, this thing is not right. Let me go and come back
For
and
me,
correct.
all my songs, I love my songs.
You treat all your music equal.
You meet me somewhere, I'll be listening to just my music.
Okay.
Yeah, I love other people's music so much, yeah, and I get inspired by them. Yeah, but I love my music so much too. Yeah, and I really pay attention to how it comes out.
How it's structured.
Yeah,
okay.
How it comes out, because I believe it's not just for me to sing, not just about how I'm feeling now. Yeah, I want something my children's children are gonna sing and be proud of me for singing it now. Okay. Yeah, so I think the focus, the perspective is more lengthy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do people always feel like your music is spiritual music, is conscious music? Do you feel like your music is conscious music?
I do spiritual music.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the kind of music I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I don't do genre-based music. Yeah, I love genres.
Okay.
I love high life. That's my champion sound. I love high life so much. That's our sound as Ghanaians too. Yeah, but I do spiritual music. At the core of my music is consciousness. Yeah, I need you to be positively impacted by what I'm saying. Yeah, but the themes vary. We hustle sometimes. We are loving sometimes. We are in pain sometimes. We need inspiration sometimes. Yeah, but at all times, it is very spiritual.
Yeah. I love the spirituality aspect. But are you a spiritual person? Apart from the music, apart from you doing music, are you a spiritual person?
Yeah.
Do you believe in God?
Yeah.
So, Ara, where do you church? When was the last time you went to church?
I wouldn't want to really put my church out there. No, because of anything.
Okay.
Yeah, but because of some personal reasons.
Okay.
Yeah, but aside that, it should be very clear. I do church every single Sunday.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And about being spiritual,
you do spiritual music?
No, God is spirit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoever believes in God doesn't just believe because he's sane. He actually believes because he's in terms with God in spirit and truth. Yeah, it's not just professing.
Okay.
Yeah, faith is action.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not professing. It's not I have faith. Yeah, it's about what you are doing. Yeah, so we are actually spiritual because we believe the life we live now is not by our mind. Yeah, we are alive because of the grace of God.
Okay, nice one. But what's your favorite Bible verse?
Oh, John 1:12.
What does it say?
It says that for everyone that believes, he gave them the power to become children of God, not children born of natural descent or born of a husband's will, but by the will of God.
Prophet Arathejay in the building. Arathejay, last year you had one of the biggest songs. It was all over the place. How does it make you feel your music reaching wider audience?
I thank God, praise God. Big love to everyone supporting Jesus Christ too. Big love to Black Sheriff and the entire team. And I mean, it's been crazy. That the prayer is that the message is going to reach the audience.
Yes, yeah.
So when God gives you the privilege to reach a wider audience, you praise God. It's another responsibility on you to keep working because you understand there's a mandate. Yeah, it's not about a buzz or a fuss about something. Yeah, it's about an impact, something God is trying to achieve. Yeah, so I think that's the perspective on it. And a big love to everyone supporting. I mean, they keep supporting. Up till now, you keep getting videos, people telling you things that your song has done to their lives.
Yeah.
And that is why we do music.
Okay. Yeah. But how did you link up with Black Sheriff?
Oh, big love to Sheriff. Big love to the Iron, El Fashion.
Yeah.
My guy. Yeah, I mean, he loved Jesus Christ too.
Okay.
I mean, he loved Jesus Christ itself. I mean, I released the initial one. Yeah. And big love to the team. Big love to Larry Masha. I was there. I've seen videos of him listening to my songs. Yeah.
Okay.
But, I mean, I just wake up one day and Father always like, oh, I check the group. Then he hangs up the call. I mean, I just check the group. I mean, it's a normal, I check my news every day. I check the group. He check the group. This time, me here, K1 sound. And if I call Father O back, say, Father O, what's going on?
No. So how was the feeling like for the first time you heard Black Sheriff's verse?
It was crazy. I was like, I mean, you know, it's been, I believe it's been in the works for God.
Okay.
Yeah, because I mean, I've been working out some things, trying to get to his side.
Okay.
Yeah, for some time. Yeah, by God's grace, yeah. But big love to the KK, yeah, for holding us down, putting together the amazing verse from the intro up till now, supporting the song. And the KK is on tour. Anywhere you do in the US, you pull up on my boy. Hey, have a great time, because Ghana to the world. And big love to Amari.
Yeah.
Coachella.
Yeah.
I mean,
she's killing it, bro.
I mean,
there's not only even Ghanaians are killing it. Ghanaian artists are killing it. Yeah, big shout outs to Amari. Big shout out to Molly. Big shout out to Arathejay. Big shout out to every Ghanaian artist killing it, taking Ghanaian music to the world. Everybody's killing it, and you had the opportunity to perform with Stonebwoy at the Indigo Shepherd.
No, and the O2 Shepherd Bush.
Empire, yeah. What nice one. How was the feeling like performing outside Ghana? And how was the reception like for you? Performing outside Ghana and people jamming to your song, singing word for word, chanting your name.
Yeah, you know, big love to the Mighty Torture.
Yeah.
That's my father. Yeah, and he brought us out. The energy was real. I mean, it's real. It's just real. You get people singing songs that you've released years ago. I mean, songs like Chosen, songs like Onoa, Sankofa. It's just heartwarming. Yeah. And as I'm saying, it's just a responsibility on you. It's a responsibility now on us now to keep working, because as I said, the aim is to get the message to the world. It's not just our environment. So as we are taking it out, as you get the privilege, you understand it's not just, it's a privilege. It's an opportunity, also a responsibility for you to keep working at it, because we are, at the end of the day, we are accountable to God for what He has given us.
That's a nice one. I really love it. And one thing is the Arathejay. God has been very good to you. You are getting a lot of deals. Let's talk about your collaboration with Puma.
Oh. Yeah, big love to Studio Dream. Big love to Ebony, Tony, Father Tony. Yeah, big love to Prince JC. Yeah, big love to Father Ray. I mean, you know, these are the works of God. Just divine. Yeah, when God sees that there's a privilege for His boy to be on the set, and God through these wonderful people are going to call you through, so you represent not just yourself, but you represent your entire nation. Yeah, because I mean Puma is such a
It's a big
deal.
brand, yeah.
Yeah, and big love to them. Yeah, having people like Abedi Pele on set.
Yeah.
I mean, the entire set was actually magical.
I mean, it was fun.
I was on set that I saw Abedi Pele walking out there. Yeah, you know.
He's a legend.
Top legend, isn't it?
Yeah, bro. That means the money was good, bro.
Oh man, we don't work. Okay, anyway, we don't. Not saying it's not about the money, but you understand that it's not. The goal is more than monetary.
So what's your goal? As you're saying, it's not just about the money.
Yeah, that's
what's your top priority apart from doing music?
When you understand what spiritual is, yeah, spiritual is not carnal. Yeah, spiritual doesn't have effect on the flesh. We talk about positive impact. You don't hold positive impact. Is not tangible. It's not something you hold with your hands. Yeah, that is what we mean when we say we want a spiritual effect. We want a positive impact. These are not things. These are not things you can see. Yeah, but these are things you believe, and they are evident. They are being made manifest every day. Yeah, so the goal is not to achieve something tangible. Yeah, that's why we do eternal music. Yeah, we believe it's not just now, and it's not just how you feel. Yeah, it's something that transcends. Yeah, and that's why you keep coming back to it. Yeah, you don't get tired of something that you believe is inspirational, something that keeps you going, keeps you alive. Yeah, and that is the goal. Yeah, that is the goal.
That's the goal, man. Arathejay got me feeling very spiritual this afternoon, Charlie. I'm feeling very spiritual. Arathejay, wait, I was going to join on your class, sorry. The way I am spiritual idea, I need it. I need to be spiritually rooted in the word. Arathejay, let's get into your new music. How did you link up with Bella?
Yeah,
Bella Shmurda. How did you link up?
Yeah, big love to Mxlive and Pong as always. Yeah, big love to Sonny. So Sonny put together a camp.
Okay.
Yeah, in Ghana.
All right. And which year was that?
I think a year ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this camp featured Thames.
Wow, Thames.
Yeah, amazing Thames. Featured amazing Bella. Featured amazing Ladipo.
Wow.
Featured amazing Molly. Amazing Manifest. I mean, other great.
That means big
artists.
names were around.
I mean, these are great people.
Wow.
Yeah, and they just came together to create music. Yeah, and I had the opportunity through Amujay, big love to Amujay, the producer for the Fire record, linked me up with Bella. The next moment I know I'm in the studio with Bella.
Okay.
And Fire is out. Yeah.
Okay.
And it was such a spiritual session, I mean, for lack of a better word. Yeah, because the entire thing was just divine. Yeah. From how the lyrics, the verses came together, how the entire song was done in quite very short time. Yeah. Bless God for it.
So how long did it take him to put down his verse?
Oh, I mean, these things we don't limit it. I don't keep this in my head.
Okay.
But the session didn't really take so long. Yeah, but I mean, if you hear the Fire record, you understand.
Yes.
You understand where it's coming from. I mean, the depths of how we felt at the moment and how we believe the message should transcend to the audience. Yeah.
And you moved to Nigeria to promote the song.
Yep.
I saw you
Live.
in a video
Active.
with, Burna Boy.
Yeah, big love
Having
to
some
Bella
one
for
or
that.
two chit chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did the convo go?
Oh, Bella took me to Bella. And
Okay.
big love to Bella. I mean, that's a wonderful guy. If you look at Bella in the video, look at how he's actually so elated for someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love him for that. Yeah, love him for that.
And I see in Obi House they're playing your music.
That's what I'm
Bro.
saying, you know. Hey, that's it. But as I'm saying, you know, that's the aim of it.
Yeah.
That's the work. Yeah, taking the message to the world.
World.
Yeah, taking not just you, taking your nation, your entire message, your belief that you hold in your right hand to the entire world for them to know this is what you believe God is telling you. Yeah.
So should we expect any collaboration with Arathejay and Burna Boy?
Expect what's unexpected. I mean, yeah.
Guys,
there's nothing impossible.
if anything drops, Charlie, MS24. MS24. Charlie, fingers crossed. We are just watching. And
keep praying.
I think you said we should expect the second installment for Finding Nemo.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. And I know for sure Jesus Christ Part 2 is going to be on that project.
Definitely.
Fire featuring Bella Shmurda is going to be on that project.
Exactly.
Grenade is going to be on that project. When are you dropping it?
Aye. The way you're up to date with the info, I thought you knew. I thought you knew when I'll drop it. But I mean, I'll drop it very soon. Very, very soon. I mean, yeah. I mean, probably next month. You never know. Keep
So
praying
Peace
for
is not
us.
going to be on that project.
You never know. There's nothing impossible with God.
Man. Okay, so how many songs should we expect on the project?
Say 15.
15? 15. That means it's no more an EP. It's a body of work.
Yeah, it's like a mixtape.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay. So apart from the names
long
like
play.
Bella and Black Sheriff, who else should we expect?
Amazing people on it. Trust me. Trust me. Trust.
Okay.
Only the amazing people on it. Yeah, people from my motherland, people from my second motherland.
Land. So
That's
that means
and all
Kenya.
that. I mean,
Is
you
it?
never know.
Salty Soul.
You never know.
Man. Ara, I bet.
Hey.
Why you know the floors? But no problem, guys.
Yeah, no
we did for you. Mxlive, we did for you. Arathejay. So where can we reach you?
Come reach
Social media
me.
platform?
So through my management, Almighty Entertainment, yeah, can reach me too. There you can reach me through Arathejay, Arathejay, everywhere. So you have Almighty Entertainment Records on all socials. You have Arathejay, all socials. Hey, go crazy.
Yeah.
And this year, on the 19th of December, again, Nemo is live.
Nemo is live.
Yeah.
Exclusive on Mxlive.
I ask you.
With the boy Mark Motin.
So make I see you.
Bro,
I mean,
we
I
there
will make
for
you
you.
know the venue. I will come here now.
Charlie, we did for
yeah,
you.
We'll announce the venue, but I mean, I know you can't wait to see me, and I can't wait for you to
Yeah.
hear the capsule volume.
Whoa. Charlie,
Yeah.
guys, that's my brother from another mother.
Yeah.
Arathejay, the spiritual man. Right now, Charlie, I feel very spiritually and rooted in the word of God. Guys, catch you. We'll be right back.